Hey guys, it's Chris Greenwood, also known as Manifest. I'm a 4-time Juno Award nominated rock and hip hop artist and creator of this course, How to Get a Manager. I've been doing music now for over 10 years, full-time as an actual career. I've toured over 20 different countries and I've worked with dozens and dozens of different managers, okay? Whether me directly hiring them myself for my career or just working with different artists that I've toured with and meeting all these different managers and swapping connections and just networking together to work on projects and help each other out. And having a manager is what you need as an artist to really take your career to the next level. Leveraging the relationships and the connections that a manager has, whether that's with record labels, booking agents, sync placements. The list goes on and on as how a manager can help shape your career and help take your vision and your dream and give it legs. And I've self-managed for a really long time now, but I've also worked with managers, and I tell all artists, you want to self-manage as long as you can until you hire a manager. And this course goes through all the different steps of what you need to do as an artist to self-manage and how to find a manager, okay? How to reach out to a manager, what to say to a manager when you meet them, what to look for, how to negotiate, how much you should be paying them. I always say, you're going to give a percentage to the manager because I would rather have 85% or 80% of a pie that is this big than 100% of a pie that is this big, okay? It takes a team to be successful in the music industry, and that's where a manager comes in, and that's where this course comes in, to really educate you and understand what it takes to get a manager, what they're looking for, and how you can be attractive as an artist or a band to have the managers knocking at your door and calling you so you can work with a great manager and a great team to take your artist and your career to the next level. Hey, I look forward to seeing you in this course and helping you out. Remember, I answer all the questions in here. You have direct access to me, and you also get a 30-day free money-back guarantee, so I encourage you to sign up right now.
Music to me is an expression of, my beliefs or ideas, a way to get a message across, a way to get emotion across, to reach and touch people.
I thought I knew it all, but I didn't. I thought I seen it all, just beginning. Sometimes we fall before we finish. This ain't a call, it's just realness. I never knew my dad, I just hide it. I never took a class, I just write it. Sometimes I don't like what I see. Sometimes it's so hard to believe. Down and out, I start to doubt. I hit the ground, I bruise, but I won't break. I won't break. You can say I'm done, but this has just begun. I'm a fighter. I'm a fighter. I'm not afraid of death. You ain't seen nothing yet. I'm a fighter. I'm a fighter. You can say I'm done, but this has just begun. I'm a fighter. I'm a fighter. I'm not afraid of death. You ain't seen nothing yet. I'm a fighter.
As an artist, you're making music, you're making it because you want to make a difference. You want to, make people feel something.